Hi mga Beks! It's me, Fedellaga, and welcome back to my channel! Hi mga Beks! Ayan, welcome back sa ating channel. And for today's video mga Beks, we are going to do an unboxing. Yes! Oh, wow! Ma-unboxing tayo. Yes! Dahil si Maring Jeffree, may lumabas na tatlong mystery boxes. Which is meron siyang deluxe, premium, at mini. And isa sa mga naku-curious ako, meron din daw siyang isinama na mystery shade for a new Velour liquid lipstick. Kaka-excite! Excite ka? At ayun, paglama ko ngayon, carry ba yung aking look for today? Gusto nyo yung ganyan? If you guys are interested to see how I get this look, like what I always said, go to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram mga Beks. Ito pa yung Instagram ko, naka 10K na eh. Tara! Ang chika-chika ko na naman. Tama na mga chika-chika. Let's go ahead at mag-unbox na tayo. Okay, so eto na nga. Andito na ang ating mga mystery box. So, kumuha ako ng mini, premium, and deluxe. Ayan, mga Beks. So, this one, orange yung color nito. And this one is chartreuse. Kaso, for some reason, the light is too strong. Wow. Okay, so, this is my first mystery box ni Jeffree Star na bubuksan ko dito sa aking channel. And I am so excited. Kaya naman, tara, nabuksan natin siya. So, I have here my plastic cutter. Safe to kapag magbubukas kayo ng mga milk. Kasi plastic, kung makuha man ng bagets, siya masasaktan.
Bakit ba? Bakit nandito na tayo?
Anyways, so ito na nga. Mag-start muna tayo sa mini mystery box. Ayan, may something sa boses ko ngayon, okay? This is a retail for $20. And this contains 3 items inside. So, let's open it now. Whew. Ayaw rin ito magpabukas, Ayan, buksan na natin. So, ayan na, nabuksan nyo na. Pagbukas nyo, there's a tissue paper. And then once you guys open it, ayun yung tatlo. Okay. I'm excited. Okay, so let's start with the pop socket. I don't know how much this is, but I think this is like $5 or $3. I'm not sure. I haven't seen this yet sa kanya. So, eto, ilalagay natin yung ating presyo dito para makita natin kung sulit ba ang $20 natin. So, let's start with the pop socket. I would say this is like $5. $3. Then, I got 2 kinds of Velour liquid lipsticks. Each is retail for $18, which is hindi tayo lugi for this one, okay? Let's see what shade is this. This one is in the shade Human Nature. It's a cute packaging. I haven't seen this yet. Wala pa ako nakuhang ganitong shade. Oh, it's a cute, very cute packaging. This is cute. Ito yung mga nakikita ko na sa store, but wala naman akong interest gamitin siya. And then when we swatch this, tingnan natin kung carry. Hindi talaga ako nag-lipstick muna para dito eh. Okay, she's cute for my look for today.
Kaso alam niyo, sabi nila may chismis daw to. Ito yung mga luma na, mga hindi na nabebenta. Ganon.
Saka ba't ganun? Parang nagkalat siya. Scary to. Okay, so let's go with this shade. This shade is in the shade Huntington Beach. Oh, this one. I do have this one already. Yeah, I have this one in my collection. So, this one, baka pamigay ko na lang to sa mga gusto, sa may gusto. Pero kasi, this is not even wearable. So, hindi ko yung gagamitin kasi baka ipamigay ko kung kanino niya, kung sino man may gusto sa family ko, okay? Okay, so let's keep these lips for now because I'm not gonna be trying that out because I already know how does it look like. Pero in fairness hindi ako talo. Ang eksena nga lang is baka expired to. Tara! Okay, so now let's go ahead with this premium box. Now this is retail for $45 and this contains 5 items inside. So let's now open this. Okay, so nabuksan ko na siya. There you go. May pa-tissue siya ulit. And then once you open it, ayan na mga bekla. Ayan mga bekla. Okay, so let's start with the pop socket again. So I think merong pop socket kada box. This one is orange naman. Sa kaninang mini is a chartreuse color. Like what I said, baka siguro $3 to $5 to. I'm not sure. Now this one, the liquid frost, this is retail for $25 kapag binili nyo. Pero nakuha din natin siya dito sa loob ng mystery box. And this is in the shade Canary Bling. Okay, so, ooh, this is interesting. I think bagay ito sa akin kasi gold. Basta mga gold na highlighter, bagay sa akin. Okay, so now this is the Canary Bling. Oh my gosh, yung sobrahan ko. Lagi ko na nga lang dito. Ooh, it's not bad. Lagi ko na lang sa katawan ko to kasi may effect tayo. Ito yung hinahanap ko kasi sold out na to sa Morphe store and wala na sila nung ganyang shade. Happy. So again, that is $25. So dito naman tayo sa mga lipsticks. Okay, so now let's start with this lip Amination. This is retail for $18 as well. And this is in a shade Jeffree's Girl. Okay, so wala pa ako ng shade na to, but this is a pink eneme. Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna try this. Can I try this with this? Kaya siya ng ganito. Okay, I'm Jeffree's Girl. Maganda yung combination niya, no? Fairness. Okay, so tabi na natin yan. Let us go next with the next one. Okay, so I have two liquid lipsticks again, which is one is the Gemini and one is the mystery shade, which is ito yung pinagmamalaki ni Jeffree because this is wearable as well. Anyways, let's start with the Gemini first. And just an FYI again, each of this is retail for $18. This is in the shade Gemini. You know what? I used to have this shade before and then pinamigay ko because dati hindi naman ako nag-glam makeup pa. I was just really curious. Of course, this is my shade because I'm a Gemini. Hello. But binili ko siya talaga kasi I was curious with Jeffree Star. Ito yung mga bagong-bago pa niyang mga shade before. I was obsessed with him. And I keep buying yung mga Velour liquid lipsticks. And then after I try it, pinamimigay ko. Kasi nga hindi naman ako nag-glam na makeup na to. And then, right now, I'm like, sayang, naibigay ko yung bet ko. But now, I think it is really for me because nagbalik siya. Okay, so andito na tayo sa kanyang mystery shade. Tingnan natin, ano ba itong meron sa mystery shade na to? Okay, so the box is chartreuse. Sinusundan lang niya yung bagong collection niya, yung theme ng collection niya for this summer, which is a chartreuse color. And now we're gonna open it. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so this is in a shade question mark. This one is a really nice color, mga Beks. Oh my. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Bilad na bilad lang aking mga lips ngayon. Pero walang nagbago sa formula niya, ha. Just an FYI. Pero alam nyo, sa iba, nakikita ko tong lipstick na to. It's not pink. It's kind of nude. Sa akin, pink siya, which is okay lang naman, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to use it like every lakad na meron ako. Pero I think I'll go with the Gemini pa rin. I was expecting like yung undertone niya is a little bit of brown na na kind of nude. This is like of a nude pink. Pero at the same time, mga Beks, natuwa ako kasi $18 pa rin to kahit paano. And hindi niyo siya makukuha sa kahit anong store kapag mystery shade. Itong mystery shade na to. So, hello. I'm on a bomb. Okay, so now let's go with this deluxe box. Deluxe box. This deluxe box is retailed for $70 and this contains 10 items inside. Pag binuksan natin, ayan, meron din siyang tissue papers. Pink naman yung tissue papers niya. And orange yung box niya. And there is 10! Oh my gosh! It's a lot. Okay, so let's start with the pop socket again. Ang hiling ni bakla sa pop socket, ano? So I have this shirt. And I think yung mga shirts niya is retail for $30. So let's go and see kung, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look it. And then it says, "Hi, how are ya?" Nice! It's nice. I like it. Ano ba yan? Medium yung kinuha ko. Kasi akala ko kung anong medium yung sinasabi nila. Pero, kaya rin na. Siguro magkakasya sa akin. So, I like this. Oh my God! Okay, and now let's go with this. I already have this money honey dito. Dito na yung money honey ko. So, I'll probably just gonna give this away. Give away, ganon. I'm gonna give this to one of my cousins or friends or tingnan natin kung kanino ko ito mabibigay. But this one, I already have this. So I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna just put it aside. Lahat ng mga ipamimigay ko. And meron din siyang straw.
Ooh, let's save the turtles!
Okay, so this straw is retail for $19. Tatlo na. But since this one is isa lang, mat kasi. So, I'd say this is $6 isa. But, you know what? Gusto ko talaga itong bilhin. Kaso, nung sabi nung magkaka-mystery box siya, hinintay ko na lang yung mystery box. However, medyo disappointed ako kasi gusto ko yung tatlo. Pero okay na to. Then, meron din ako nakuhang lip liner which is in a shade Leo. Ito wala pa ako and this one is a pretty interesting shade. I kind of like this shade. There you go! It's the color brown. And yeah, it's cute. Or whatever. Alam nyo, ang ayoko lang sa lip liner nila is pag swinatch mo, ang creamy. Like, ang creamy niya. Pero kapag nalagay ko na sa lips ko, yung nagda-dry. Akala ko rin meron silang magandang liquid lip liner. Pero lahat ng lip liner nila, hindi ko nabetan. Pati nga yung black nila, akala ko talaga, it is so good for eyeliner, but it's not. Okay. Nasyong ako, nag-ano na agad ako, nag-lipstick na agad ako. Anyways, meron din siyang Velour lip scrub. And this is retail for $12. This is in a pumpkin pie. However, ayoko tong galawin kasi hindi ko to magagamit. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. Kasi meron pa akong isa. I'll probably give this sa isa sa mga friends ko. Yeah. But yeah, hindi ko bubuksan kasi sayang kapag binuksan ko. Pero ito yung itsura niya. And a lot of you already seen this. If you guys wanna see, you could look it up sa kanya. Pinutusan ko pa kayo. Pero kasi, di ba sayang? Okay, so let us now go with the lipsticks. I received 4 liquid lipsticks. And again, each is retail for $18. Okay, so let's start with this Diva. Ay, wala pa ako nito, mga bakla. Diva! Kutsala! Dada! Two, three. I actually have this already too. I forgot. Kasi nasa mini bundle. So, I'm gonna keep this. I'm still gonna keep it. Tignan ko kung magagamit ko siya. Pero kasi meron na nga ako sa lip bundle. Kaso yun, pang creative looks ko. So, I'll probably just keep this if ever may mangyari. Okay, let us now go with this poinsettia. Okay, this is really pretty. Color red, yung eksena niya. And I think this is for like holidays, like Christmas or whatever. Kasi may shimmer siya and then para siyang crystal balls. Yeah. So, eto, feeling ko pang holiday lang to. Pero for summer ngayon, parang hindi ko siya magagamit. Saan ang mga nilagay ni Bakla? Pang summer, hindi mo pang... meron to si Bakla, hindi niya lang ito mabenta. Okay, let us now go with the celebrity skin. Oh my gosh. Meron din ako nito and then pinamigay ko and then nagsisi rin ulit ako. So, suotin ko rin siya and I might keep this. I'm happy. I'm actually happy kasi bumalik siya. Okay, and the last one is the mystery shade. Meron na rin ako nito, so itatabi ko na lang to, okay mga Beks. Kasi sayang siya. kung ipamimigay ko tapos bukas na. Sayang naman, nakakahiya. And there you go mga Beks. Kukunin ko lang yung aking gusto kong pinaka-shade kasi parang this one is not gonna match my look for today. But yeah. There you go mga Beks. Ayan, yan ang mga nakuha ko for Jeffree Star's Mystery Boxes. And yeah, natuwa ako sa ibang shades. Natuwa talaga ako. Tsaka natuwa ako kasi hindi ako talo, diba? Yung worth na nasa loob ng boxes is worth it. Mas mataas pa siya dun sa binili kong value, which is I'm so happy about it. And I'm not gonna be complaining about it because tulad ng $20 na mini, nakakuha ako ng 2 liquid lipstick. Which is carry na yun mga Beks kasi $18 ang isa. $20 yun. So, may free akong isa. Tapos yung premium, $45 siya. And may sobra din. Same thing as the deluxe. Kaya ang bongga, nabonggahan ako dito sa pa-mystery box ni Bakla, di ba? At sana nabonggahan din kayo, di ba? Anyways, yeah, I'm really happy. In fairness puro wearable yung nakuha ko. Wearable actually lahat sila. Iisa lang yung hindi wearable, which is the green one. And the rest, wearable siya. I'm blessed. Charot. And yes, sinuot ko na ngayon yung kanyang mystery shade. And sinamahan ko ng Gemini.
I'm a Gemini, but a mystery. Ano yung...
Anyways mga Beks, ayan, syempre, bago natin kalimutan ang lahat, makakalimutan ba natin ang comment of the day? Comment of the day! Comment of the day! Comment of the day! Comment of the day! Hey! Hey! Comment of the day! Niipiyak ako. At eto na sila! Once again mga Beks, thank you so much. At yes, road to 2K na tayo. I-share nyo naman to para dumami rin tayo. Libre rin ang pagsusubscribe. Kaya i-alok nyo ko, benta nyo ko. At syempre mga Beks, unfortunately, tatapusin na natin ang video na to. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Para naman sa mga Beks natin dyan na laging gustong updated, hit the notification bell button right there. Para sa tuwing upload ko, you guys are always updated. And once again, thank you so much and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye!